24 hours after Wisconsin's newest liberal-leaning Supreme Court judge was sworn in, a new lawsuit was filed hoping to throw out Wisconsin's Republican-drawn legislative maps. It is a move Democrats, including the governor, applaud.
People in Wisconsin have been asking for fair maps for a long time, as long as I can remember, frankly. And hopefully we have a successful lawsuit.
Eber made those comments while in Menominee today. The lawsuit was filed by a coalition of law firms and voting rights advocacy groups. They want the Supreme Court to throw out the current maps and draw new political boundary maps before the 2024 election. The suit asked Wisconsin Supreme Court to take the case directly rather than have it work through lower courts. It says the current state legislative maps are an unconstitutional gerrymander. That is the process when a political party draws the map seeking an advantage for their party by packing opponents' voters into a few districts or spreading them among multiple districts.
You look at any polls and people understand that we're a purple state, and there's no way the legislature looks like a purple state. It looks like a red state, and that's not Wisconsin. Whether it's my races, or governor races, or anything at the state level, anything at the national level, will show you that that is the case, and that should be reflected in the way that our legislature operates.
Here's a sign of how much the 2011 maps entrenched Republican power in the legislature. Democrats won every statewide race in 2018 and 53% of the statewide legislative vote. Yet Democrats won just 36 of the state's 99 assembly seats. Now, the newly appointed Justice, Janet Protasewicz, was outspoken during her campaign about her desire to revisit the legislative maps. Meanwhile, Republican Senate Majority Leader Devin LeMahieu had a different take. He said the current legislative maps are valid and constitutional. LeMahieu said instead of redefining their radical political platform to match the values of everyday Wisconsinites, liberal Democrats are counting on judicial fiat to help them gain power. Fiat is a decree.